What up guys, welcome to another video. Today I got a package from Edge Autosport. It is from Perrin and it is the front license plate delete, and basically it's just this plate. It's like metal, it's like brushed metal, it looks really nice. And then what's cool, I didn't realize on the other side, it's the black with the white outline. And then this is like the solid white, so you can choose which one you want. Then it has some paperwork that explains it and the hardware that's needed. If you've never noticed, these cars kind of have this like these ugly white mounts for license plate, so we just want to get rid of those. All it says in the directions is if you have an older WRX or STI, you might need these rubber pieces, and then you drill a hole and put them in through the back, and the screws go into it like that. But if you have one of the newer WRXs or STIs, all you need is this screw right here. Before I put it on, I'm just going to go ahead and like clean this off, because once this is on here, you're not going to be able to clean behind it. And then grab your little plate and the two screws, kind of get started by hand. And that's the world's easiest install.